It's a 92 Plymouth Voyager. A few days ago I went ahead and started it, and all the instruments, they weren't working. None of them came on when I started it. I drove it like that for a little bit. Yeah, so what it ended up being is this the body control module right here. And what you want to do is you want to unplug. First of all, I just disconnect the negative side of the battery, and then go ahead and what I recommend is grabbing some gloves. I got some leather gloves, and that'll make it, because there's some sharp parts in there, make a lot better for your hands there, so you don't get them cut up. But you'll see those little tabs there, and then you just slide those out, wiggle them out, and then I usually let it sit for about 30 minutes or so. You can do less with it disconnected and the battery disconnected, and then boom, yeah, everything was like fine, like nothing ever happened. So everything's back on there. It's a little sunny there, but anyway, yep, so just like that. And then for the cover here, if you haven't taken this off before, let's see, right here on the side, it's going to go like this. So there's a screw right over here. And you're going to have one on both sides of the steering column. Let's see, right there, and then across the other side. Then you could have 3 along the bottom. Yep, there's 3 along the bottom there, little holes. And then along the top here, you gotta be careful, there's a pin here on this side, over on the left side by the vent there. So you gotta be careful there it is. Getting that out, you gotta slide that out. And the plastic could break pretty easy, so especially with these older rigs, the plastic breaks pretty easy. So that's it for that. So definitely save you some money.